I'm Dr Mel Plant, I'm a GP in North Paris. Just being investigated for cancer is frightening and challenging enough, but receiving a diagnosis is a life-changing event. Unfortunately, with 1 in 3 of us receiving a diagnosis of cancer in our lifetime, it's an all too real possibility. But of course the diagnosis is merely the tip of the iceberg, as you are suddenly immersed in a deluge of challenging decisions and fears at a critical point in your life. And on top of that, normal life has to carry on. It may be you have to get the children to school. You may be caring for an elderly relative. Your partner may not be safe left at home. You may have animals to look after. You may need to walk the dog. And on top of that, you have financial worries. Will you be able to work? Will your partner be able to work as much if they're taking you to and from hospital? What sick pay are you entitled to? What benefits are you entitled to? The integrated cancer journey is aimed at providing you with one person you can go to who links to all of those variety, whether that's the voluntary organisations with the befrienders, somebody who automatically comes in and does your animals, walks the dog, sits with an elderly relative, financial support, caring support for the elderly relatives to allow you to take a little bit of a back seat, financial support from social services, from applying for the right benefits. Perhaps you just need somebody to discuss the treatment with, somebody to mull it over, whether that's your local GP or whether that's the specialist nurse. So all of those decisions then we find solutions for without you having to go looking, so that you can concentrate on the most important person, who is you. And that's not the end of it. Many of us will have our cancer treatment and recover, but many of us are living then with the after effects of the cancer itself, of the treatments, and it may be we have to have ongoing cancer therapies which gradually will change the way we live. The integrated cancer journey, I think, is probably going to be one of the biggest changes we can bring to help people living with cancer.